everybody. Today we're opening toys.
Yeah.
Today we open egg and fight truck. I want to play egg one. Let's cut. Look at the sounds. We're in the channels, so different. Huh? Who doesn't? The ladder can grow. We can let's unbox another toy. Yeah, I want to open that one. Okay. I want to. You open the wrapping. No. Tell me that. Abba. They have a accessory. So good. Oh, the eggs out. And a surprise. Oh. Yeah, but just don't open the... Pause it. I found it! Eva, we put that back. Look! I found it! Oh. Eva, we just open... You just do this to the eggs. I opened it. I found the successor. What is that? I want to open one, the last one. Oh, it's that. What is in that one? The same freaking one. Yeah. Wow, thank you. Clap. Fire. And they have there's another twin. Just got fire. Look at that. Inside. Mama, put it on. It's a fire. These are Hatchimals.
Okay.
I like it. If you like a video, please subscribe to my channel. Ciao. Goodbye.
Bye. See you.
See you later. It properly will